Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to download the Zoom client for meetings. So we're going to go onto the zoom.us/download website. The link will be in the description. And we're going to install the Zoom client for meetings. We're going to punch that download button and press save file. So that's going to download. Once it's downloaded, you open it up and it'll just take a moment to finish installing everything. Now, once it's installed, you'll get an option, join a meeting or sign in. You'll probably want to press sign in, and you can sign up. So in the bottom right-hand corner, there's the sign up free button. That'll open this up in your web browser so you can go through this process of making an account. Once you have one, you can sign in on the right. And we'll now be connected. So in another window over here, I've got some Zoom meetings that I might want to join. So I can press a join Zoom meeting button and it'll take me to the Zoom website and I'll be able to open the link with Zoom meetings. So if I do that, we'll be able to join the meeting. I can't join this meeting right now just because I've got another meeting that's ongoing right now. But that's how you install Zoom, and that's how you join your meetings.